Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Yeedi M12 Pro. So, is it a cheaper alternative to the Ecovacs T30s? This is what we will be finding out in this video. So, as you can see that currently I'm on Amazon.com where you can see all of the features of this particular robot vacuum. Here you will notice that this product received 4.4 stars rating out of 5 and 80% gave it 5 stars rating. Here you will get 11,000 PA, strong suction, zero tangle technology, true edge deep mopping, auto mop washing and drying, auto lift mopping, mini omni station, and this comes in black and even white colors. If you want to know more about it, then you can read the information that is given on this page. I will put the link of it down in the description as well, so that it would be very easy and convenient for you to read the reviews. Here you can even click on the ratings and click on the photos option to see the real-time images of the product that people have uploaded. And as you can see, you can even read the reviews why people are liking the product, and then you can make up your mind whether you should purchase it or not. Now if I talk about the rate pricing, then this comes with $619, and you can even purchase it on monthly AMIs. So that was it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.